We can do it drunk. You can do it sober. Oh. Hey, two-wheel drive. Oh, are we stuck? Oh.
We're moving.
We're moving. Oh. We ain't stuck. Two-wheel drive my ass. Don't need four-wheel drive.
We don't need them stinking bodges.
All right. I'm telling you right now.
You want to keep going?
Well, look. Think about it. You can get good money for this, and we can just buy a Prius and put some knobbies on it.
I'm in.
But you know.
You think we can fit these tires on it? I bet if we can cut the fender wells. We'll cut the fender wells.
No, we're not putting these tires. No. No, I definitely. We have to sell this thing with the tires on it.
I'm gonna slap you.
Nobody's.
You even bring those four letter words up again. Sell. S-E-L-L. I tell you what, I have a word. It's called C-I-L-L. Kill.
Shit.
Kill my landlord.
That's four letters too.
D-E-D.
Oh,
dead.
No, dead. All right.
All right. So
here we go.
Tell you what.
More mud.
Nah, that's right. No.
Yeah. You think you're so friggin' smart. Two-wheel drive.
You sell your Subaru.
One. I don't have a Subaru.
Yeah, well, you keep talking, you might. I don't know.
I hope not.
How much money should we?
Oh, look.
Sling?
See, we don't need. Oh, look. We don't need four-wheel drive. I'm telling you right now. You can drive around in the jungle in Maine.
It's two-wheel drive.
Oh, you could do it on a bicycle. I mean, look.
Yeah. Take you a little longer.
Well, I don't know about this mud hole here. This is.
We'll see. I think that's
this is treacherous.
I haven't touched wrong.
Oh,
yet.
it is treacherous. Look.
It is too.
Look. Oh.
It looks like they pulled a skid steer through there, and that's all it'll make.
Skid steer. I doubt it. Yeah. Yeah. If I was friggin' worried, I'd roll up this window. But I'm not rolling up. No.
I don't believe you.
No, I don't believe you.
You ain't scared.
Yeah. So here we are.
You're from the land of sanity.
I don't know about that.
I'm just throwing it out there.
Yeah.
I mean, hey, what are you doing?
Look.
Hitchhiker. We got us a hitchhiker. She loves the heat. I got me a dragonfly.
Oh, this looks.
Treacherous.
Oh, this is bad. Oh, here we go. Wonder wheel.
All right, let's see which one spins.
Ooh. What? I'm not even positive. Oh, look!
I got a goober.
Look at.
I got a goober.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is too much. All right. So what? Oh,
Buttons on your shirt.
another mud hole.
This one's even deeper.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Clean that mirror off.
Oh, I couldn't see.
Yeah.
And I ain't played in the mud in a while. I'm kind of happy to be there.
Oh yeah. Oh, now you settle down. See this big water hole coming up?
Okay, I'll settle down.
Now, this looks like a potential to get a person stuck.
I don't think so.
No.
We're going downhill. I bet the water gets deep.
I don't know about that.
I know.
I don't know about that. But
excuse me.
Oh, must be all that carbonated soda you drink.
I know. I tell you, I gotta stay off the Mountain Dew.
No kidding. Oh wait.
Oh, dude. Is the camera still there? Think we should check?
Oh. We can only hope.
Let's check.
Oh, this is bad.
Let's check. Make sure.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Because I don't want to be damaged.
All right. Let's go look. Yeah. Holy shit, it is.
Holy butt pucker.
I know.
You fucker.
All right.
Holy butt pucker, you fucker.
If we get through this, oh, I got a treat. I got a treat for us.
Okay.
Okay, now, but this is a big one. 2-wheel drive, 1-wheel. You know, any last words, anything you want to say before you get swamped in this and get embarrassed?
I hope.
Oh, Evan Rude. Oh, holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, oh dear. Oh, oh my.
Oh my.
That's. Yeah.
I'm so glad we didn't drown.
Yeah, but I tell you right now, if we can do it drunk, you can do it sober.